YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Meats, and I am back again with another video. So I didn't think it was gonna still keep raining like this, but I guess it is. I think that was Ashton. I think that was Ashton. I think. Hell no. But y'all, I just recently got my tires put back on. Not put back on. I just got a new set of front tires. I got some Pirellis up front, 265 40/20s up front, just to give it a little wider stance, a little more flush, a little wider stance. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Also, I am recording off my phone, as y'all can see. You feel me? We back on the phone with it. It's been a long time since I recorded. Well, it ain't been a long time, but it's been a long time since I used the 0.5 like this. So yeah, so we finna so I missed the after work POVs, even though I ain't gonna be doing POVs after work and shit like that because I got a work truck now. But I'm definitely finna give y'all some POV. Next, I will be probably tomorrow, or I don't know when, but I know I want to give y'all a downtown POV in a city. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's 0.5 back. Don't mind that. That's my work phone. That, you know, in case anybody try to go on me. I need to get an estimate too. Oh yeah, they open too. I need to get an estimate, so I need to see how much it's gonna be to paint my front bumper, my hood, and get my back bumper done too. Oh crap, I gotta go through the other side. I ain't finna do all of that. Damn, I gotta show them the Kato. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a minute. Let's show y'all my wheels, bro. I just got some new tires put on the front. I got some Pirellis. I'm mad the dude sold the other ones that I wanted, but I might go with a smaller size. I don't know yet, but they actually look pretty good. So I'm gonna get out the car real quick in a minute, in a sec, and I'm gonna show y'all the tires. But basically, this is gonna be a rain cut up POV video. I want to give y'all a downtown POV video too. Or no, I might make this a 90K mile review video. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. We'll see. But let me go to this empty lot real quick. And y'all a POV. Not a POV. Let me get out and show y'all the car real quick. Oh, shut up. Let me straighten up my wheel so y'all can look. We went with the 265 40/20s up front. That look good as hell, as y'all can see. We still rocking the 285 40/20s in the back. I wanted the Pirellis in the back too, but I got a real good deal on these, and I like the way they sit. They sit flush, no rubbing. You feel me? Like it's like flush basically. Almost looks good. As y'all can see, it is raining out here. Let me go ahead and get a thumbnail real quick. And then I got some more stuff at home. Basically, I got some stuff for that headlight. I got the headlight lens that finally came in. I got a couple other things that came in, so when I take the whole front bumper off, I'm gonna be doing all of that on a separate video. But for right now, as y'all can see, man, this car looking mean. Those is like, it's kind of making me want to keep those again. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I was trying to go to the paint shop just right now so I can get an estimate on the front bumper and the hood, and to get my back bumper repainted and shit like that. So we're gonna see how that go, because I want to get that done. I want to get that sanded, little filled in right there, and then repaint it over, so the car won't have basically no imperfections, because these wheels look good. It ain't no curb rash on the wheels. The wheels look good. I kind of like the side skirt, but I kind of don't. I know it's I feel like it's a better one out there, but I don't know yet. We'll see. But yeah, headlight lens coming in. We already got the side marker lights coming in. So like I said, when I'm done, when I take off the bumper, I want to wire all of that up. And I got Crocs on. My sock just got wet because it's wet out here. But yeah, so this is how the car looking right now. I'm about to get back in because it's wet out here, man. And I'm finna look at that side profile. Yeah, that look good. The Pirellis was definitely a nice touch on the front. No lie, you can't even see through that hole. You can't. All of this basically is this is gonna be black. This gonna be black. I'm gonna keep that carbon, and then all that side trim, that's gonna be a gloss black. This gonna stay the same, and this is gonna be blacked out. All of this is gonna be blacked out. I still need to find the badge. Basically. Yeah, so that's where we at with that. I need to find the badge. But let's go ahead and get up out of here, man. Alright, man, y'all see it. Let's go ahead and get up out of here. Put my seatbelt on. Damn, it look like I got a lot of a Christmas tree on the dash, but I really don't. And I ain't drove this car like this in so long, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I ain't drove this car like this so long. Look. Hold on, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in one more. Well, I can't. But as y'all can see, I have 20. I got 20 average, bro. Like, that's how you know I've been like driving. Like, I haven't been really driving this car like that. Like, I've been really chilling, like, for real, for real. I ain't really been on it. I ain't really been getting on it. And that literally probably just dropped from me getting on it back there and stuff like that. But I'm gonna slide back to the body shop. They look like they packed, though. They look like they too busy, man. I don't know if I want to get this. I don't know if I want to get it wrapped, or I don't know if I just want to get this shit painted. Because if I get it wrapped, I know that now I still have to do the back, because, you know, I got to do the back basically. But yeah, so that's where we at with that. And we can't tweak in here because 12 be tweaking through here. Let me, if you in the Illinois area, you should already know what area I'm in. I could not get that out. I already know what area I'm in. You feel? Y'all already should know what area I'm in. Y'all already know. Look. Y'all already know what area I'm in. Yeah, and then so basically my next video definitely got to be a because I'm at 92,000. I wanted to do a 90K mile review for y'all, man, because I know a lot of people in my comment section like to, you know, like to know about these cars. So definitely got to give y'all a 90K mile review video next. Was supposed to be today, but the way this rain looking, it's it ain't playing foul here. So yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video, and I'm gonna have this out probably later on today, probably like around I'm probably have this video out a little later on, probably like around like 3-4 o'clock. Take you to turn in that motherfucker. I gotta get a thumbnail. I don't think my thumbnail back there was good enough, so I'm gonna get another one soon. It's gloomy as hell out here, man. This car feels so much better with the tires on the front now, cause them other ones was killing me, bro. And I got them I got the Pirellis for 110. 110 in there with the foam inside to make the road quieter or something like that. Damn, they wheel wobbling like a motherfucker. I don't know if y'all see it. I can see it though, but they wheel wobbling like a motherfucker. That motherfucker wobbling. I wonder, do he feel? I know he feel that shit. That motherfucker wobbling. I'm gonna roll the back windows down. Man, you know it's crazy. I seen at Rebadge Design, they got these, but they only got the SRT one. It say SRT on it, and it's red, and then it come with the red ring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably hit up that dude on Instagram who make them, and I'm gonna just have to go with that version, because I ain't trying to have nothing to say. This already say SRT, so that's already good enough, which I probably fill in and sand that down when I repaint this. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how much work it is. I wouldn't mind painting this down and sanding the SRT in, because I really don't care for it. And then, like I said, all of that's gonna get a new look. That was big as hell. Slightly drought. I got the back windows down too. I probably just scared the fuck out of them. I definitely need some new tires. I don't even know why I'm playing. I definitely need to swap. My back tire's not bad, but they not good, if that makes sense. And we got a Durango RT right here. Alright, get on there with them. So fucked up. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this small POV. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, but I know I wanted to give y'all a video. But y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the videos next week, because like I said, I got some stuff at home, and I will be taking this bumper off and put a majority of the stuff back on. So y'all make sure y'all go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, like the video, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. Turn that post bell notification on, so y'all don't miss a drop and be gone.